In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook stories could not load error 5 minutes. If your Facebook stories keep saying they couldn't load, it's often a browser issue, not Facebook itself. Corrupted cookies or site data can block the page from fetching fresh content. The quickest fix is to clear the site data your browser has saved for Facebook, then reload the page. I'll walk you through it step by step so it's simple and safe. Start by opening your browser. This process works in all major browsers on a computer. Look toward the top right corner of your window for the main menu. In most browsers, that's the 3 dots icon. In some, it may look like a 3-line menu. Click that menu to open your browser options. Next, click on Settings. This opens the area where your browser stores preferences and data controls. From here, navigate to Privacy and Security. That's where controls for cookies, site permissions, and clearing data live. You might see slightly different wording depending on your browser, but privacy and security is the section you want. Now, find the option to delete browsing data. Some browsers call it clear browsing data. Click that. A panel will open with checkboxes for things like browsing history, cached images, and cookies. For this fix, focus on cookies and other site data. Select that option. This removes the saved login tokens and temporary data that can cause the stories feed to stall. A quick note before you proceed, clearing cookies will sign you out of most websites, including Facebook, so make sure you know your login details. If your browser shows a time range, choosing a shorter range may work if the problem started recently, but if the error has persisted, clearing a broader range can be more effective. The key is that cookies and site data are selected. Go ahead and click delete data to confirm. Your browser might take a few seconds to remove everything, and the window may briefly pause while it finishes. That's normal. Once that's done, return to Facebook in the same tab or open a new one and refresh the page. If you were signed out, log back in. Now try opening stories again. With the old cookies cleared, Facebook should be able to fetch a fresh session and load stories properly. That's it. By removing the corrupted site data and refreshing Facebook, you typically resolve the could not load error in just a couple of minutes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your stories working smoothly again.